Hi, today I'm gonna teach you about sines and cosines. So this is a right triangle because this angle is 90 degrees. Let's consider this angle A, for example, this angle A. So we have the following sides. We have opposite leg. This side is called opposite leg. This side is called adjacent leg. And this side is called hypotenuse. You see, the right triangle has three sides. Here is an angle of 90 degrees, so this side is called adjacent leg. When we talk about this angle, this side is adjacent. This side is opposite because you see this side is opposite to this angle. And this is hypotenuse because hypotenuse is opposite to the angle of 90 degrees. So now, here we go. First, cosine of angle A. Cosine of angle A equals adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. It's easy to remember because take a look. This core, it means next to. Like, for example, co-worker. It means someone who works next to you. So co means next to. The same as cohabitation, someone who lives next to you. Or cooperation, someone who operates next to you. So co means next to. So that's how you can remember. So this adjacent side is next to angle A, divided by hypotenuse. That's what cosine is. Now let's talk about sine. Sine of angle A. Sine of angle A is opposite leg. Opposite. Divided by hypotenuse. So sine of angle A is opposite leg divided by hypotenuse. Okay, here's my way to remember is this. In English it looks like sin. And what does English word sin means? It means opposition. It means to be against. So that's how I remember that opposite side is about sine. Okay, so sine of an angle is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. And when I say opposite side, I mean the length of opposite side. The length of opposite side divided by the length of hypotenuse. The same as cosine. Cosine equals the length of adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So now let us consider real life examples with cosines and sines. Okay, so here we go. Let me draw an easy triangle for us. Let's suppose this is triangle ABC. Now let's suppose BC equals 4, AC equals 3, and AB equals 5. Okay, so what is the cosine of angle A? Cosine of angle A is adjacent leg, which equals 3. No, for example, 3 centimeters or 3 inches, it doesn't matter. Maybe 3 meters or 3 feet, it doesn't matter. 3 units. Divided by hypotenuse, which is equals 5. So that's what cosine of angle A. Now what is sine of angle A? Sine of angle A is opposite leg, which is 4, divided by hypotenuse, which is 5. Okay. So now let's talk about angle B. So what is the cosine? Now let me put it here. What is the cosine of angle B? Cosine of angle B, because when I look at angle B, so hypotenuse is 5. But what is adjacent leg? Now adjacent leg is 4. So cosine of angle B is 4 over 5, because when I talk about angle B, adjacent leg is 4. So as you can see, cosine of angle B equals sine of angle A. Why? Because this side 4, when we talk about angle B, this side 4 is adjacent because it's next to angle B. But when we talk about angle A, the same side 4 is opposite to angle A. So cosine of angle B is 4 divided by 5, and sine of angle B is also 4 divided by 5. So now what about sine of angle B? When I look at angle B, opposite leg is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. So sine of angle B equal cosine of angle A, because this side 3 is opposite to angle B, and this side 3, the same side 3, is adjacent to angle A. So you see? Now, let me use a calculator now. What if I want to find the measurement? How many degrees is angle A? For example, measurement of angle A in degrees. Okay, for this person I will need a calculator. For this purpose I will need a calculator. On the calculator I will need to answer. I will need to enter cosine -1, which means inverse of cosine. And what is the cosine of angle A? 3 over 5. 3 over 5. And that will give me the measurement of angle A. Let me take a calculator. So let me use a calculator. So I will enter second and inverse of cosine, and here I will enter 3 over 5 and enter. So the angle equal 53.1 degrees, approximately 53 degrees. Approximately 53 degrees. Now what if I want to find measurement of angle B? So angle B, the sine of angle B is 3 over 5. So in a calculator I enter sine -1, which means inverse of sine. And I will enter 3 over 5. And it will give me the measurement of angle B. Let me show it to you. So let me use the calculator. I will enter second. Inverse of sine. I will enter 3 over 5 equals, okay, 36.8. So it approximately 37 degrees. You see? Now, how much is 37 plus 53. So you see this angle is 37 degrees, this angle is 53 degrees. So when I add them, how much is 37 plus 53? It is 90. So this angle is also 90 because it's a right angle. So this is 90, this is 37, this is 53. Together, 180 degrees. And now we're going to solve basic trigonometric equation. So sine of 3x equal cosine of, let's say, 2x plus, no, let's say 10. So now this angle and this angle together are 90 degrees. This angle and this angle together are 90 degrees. Because obviously we have a triangle. So this angle is 3x and this angle is 2x plus 10. Because they equal. If sine of this angle equals to cosine of this angle, it means those angles are complementary. It means together those angles are 90 degrees. Let me erase it. So it means that 3x plus 2x plus 10 equals 90 degrees. So 5x plus 10 equals 90 degrees. 5x equals 90 minus 10, which is 80. So x equals 80 over 5, which is 16. So x equals 16. Let me erase it for now. So x equals 16. So 3x equals 16 times 3, which is 48. And 2x plus 10, which is this angle, it equals 2 times 16 plus 10, which is 32 plus 10, which is 42. And 48 plus 42 is 90. 48 plus 42 equals 90 degrees. Yes.